Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. Mr. Chandan has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, what are the things to be looked into while purchasing a health insurance plan? So many people make this mistake while purchasing health insurance plan, wherein they just don't look at the fine print. In fact, today in this episode, I'm going to share with you the 5 common mistakes you must avoid while purchasing health insurance plan. What are those 5 mistakes you must avoid? Number 1, I don't want you to underinsure yourself, which means you may need a 10 lakh rupee health insurance coverage, but you may go with 3 lakh rupee, and tomorrow when you fall ill, you will suffer. I don't want that to happen. I want you to get sufficient insurance coverage so that when you get admitted to hospital, you will not suffer. Second, I want you to look into the sublimits. This is something which many people don't check. Why is it important to check the sublimits? Tomorrow you go to a good hospital and they say that, okay, great, you have health insurance, I will cover you. And you get admitted. You take the best room because you know that you have got 5 lakh rupee coverage. But in the insurance policy, it is mentioned that the room rent per night is only 5,000 rupee allowed. But you get into a room where the room rent is 10,000 rupee per night. Now what happens? When the bill is generated, you have to pay exactly half bill from your pocket. Do you want that to happen? So that's something which you need to consider. And the third mistake which people make is they ignore the exclusions, which is something not good, because when you get admitted to the hospital, it shouldn't happen that the insurance company reject your claim because some of these diseases are not covered. So you should check what are those things not covered. If you don't check what are the things not covered, for example, pre-existing diseases or some of the specific ailments or surgeries not covered, that means you will get into a trouble. So I don't want you to make this mistake. And the fourth one, if you don't disclose your previous medical history, you will get into trouble when you go for claim. So whenever you go for a claim, insurance company will ask you to furnish the details, like the current, why have you got admitted to the hospital, what is the ailment, all that they will collect it from the hospital. And later if they get to know that this is a pre-existing disease, then they will not give you the claim. So I want you to ensure that while filling up the proposal form, please mention your past medical history properly. Don't try to lie there. That's another big mistake you commit, which should not be done. And the fifth one is, you basically, this is something which happens very commonly in India, that we imitate what my friend or my relative or my colleague has done. That's not good in case of health insurance, because the health insurance which your friend has bought may suit him, but not you. You'll have to buy the one which suits you. I'll give you a simple example. Now, my friend has bought an insurance policy because he stays in a particular locality where the network hospital which are covered under this particular health insurance policy are near to him. But then I live in another locality where there are hospitals, but none of those hospitals are covered under the network hospital list provided by that particular health insurance company. Now, if I buy health insurance from that particular company, then I will not be able to get the claim whenever I get admitted to these other hospitals. Then I'll have to go for reimbursement, which is not good, right? So I want you to consider these aspects while buying health insurance. These mistakes should not be done. This is why we have designed a detailed course on health insurance in Financial Freedom app. This course will help you understand, will help you learn how to choose the best health insurance. Please watch this course on Financial Freedom app. And if you have any questions related to health insurance, you can always post it on Financial Freedom app. I'll answer your question in the next episode. On Financial Freedom app, you've got about 72 courses on personal finance, career, business and farming. Please watch all these courses. And for Republic TV viewers, we have an amazing offer. If you type the referral code as Freedom Show in Financial Freedom app, the Freedom Show as the referral code as you see on the screen, you will get rupees 2,000 scholarship to watch these courses on Financial Freedom app. Don't miss this opportunity. Claim it now. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.